Good morning, you guys. Buenos Dias. For those of you that are new, I'm Dia, and I have a 28-day fitness challenge. So today is actually day 5 of the fitness challenge, and we are working chest and triceps. Now, a lot of women believe that because you work your chest, it's gonna get small, and you lose your chest when you're doing lots of cardio, lots of HIIT, like when you lose fat, because this is fat, you know, it's fat, not PHAT fat, the other kind of fat. Don't be scared to work out your chest, work out your triceps, because you want to be proportionate. So work the chest, work the triceps, work your whole body. That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to transform our whole body. And once again, we're off to the gym for day number 5. Alright, you guys, we are starting off with a superset. We are doing wide grip barbell press and closed grip barbell press. We are doing 4 sets of 10 reps each. And make sure you warm up before you do your working set. We are moving on to our next exercise. We are doing skull crushers. We're doing 4 sets of 10 reps. So with this exercise, you are putting a bar above your face. If this is your first time doing this exercise, make sure you are starting off with a light weight. And our last exercise is a superset. We are doing single arm flies and tricep across the body. We are doing this with a cable machine for 4 sets of 10 reps.
If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that workout. Now, you have done 5 days of working out. I definitely felt it towards the end there with the single arm cable flies. Ooh, I love doing single arm or single leg workouts. It like really focuses on that one, so you're not like overpowering it with your like most dominant arm or leg. I know there are times when I'm bench pressing and the weight is just getting too heavy, so I'm like, oh, come on, you got this. Okay, but this arm did most of the work. You have to balance yourself out, and that's why I like the single arm cable flies or single arm bicep curls, preacher curls, or one-legged squats. Just love those movements. I just want to remind you guys that consistency is everything. It is key to changing your body. Yes, we have worked out for 5 days, and you might or might not have seen change since the first day. But if you stick to it, you will definitely see a change. If you need a little extra motivation, I do have my contact information down below, or you can just comment and I will reply as well. Before we go, if you haven't already, do subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can keep up to date with my 28-day fitness challenge. Bye, you guys.